Hi everyone, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a quick share from Cara Brandon. This is Cara's Friday Freebie. If you go to her Facebook and join her Facebook group, Cara Brandon and Friends, and I'm going to have a link down below, this is the freebie that she put out today. For you guys, it'll be yesterday because it came out on Friday. But it's a wonderful, you've got specimen here, you've got labels, you've got cards, you've got a couple of bees, and you've got a specimen, well, what could be used as a specimen envelope here. And what's so wonderful about it is it pairs perfectly with her Honey Bees and Lavender digital kit that I'm also going to do a quick flip through of. The Honey Bees and Lavender is 23 pages. And what's wonderful about the Friday Freebie is if you go in and get the items or the one-page digital and make something with it and post it to the Facebook group, you will be eligible to be put into a drawing to win 50% off one item in Cara's Etsy shop. This is a beautiful kit. I can't wait to start working with it, which hopefully will be very shortly. And what's nice about the 50% off is Sunday, Cara said she's going to be putting out another new digital. So it's really worth it to join the Facebook group and take part in the Friday Freebie. And like I said, I will be using it with this kit. I'm actually going to look at that great big bee. I love that. And here we've got a wonderful collage type page. These are just absolutely beautiful. And what I like about it is I wouldn't necessarily have put these colors together, but they work beautifully. So all these pages, I think this is actually my favorite page, and I don't know why. Okay, and then we've got some ephemera pages. So we've got 3 large tags here, 3 more large tags, and then we've got the same tags in smaller form. And then we've got all sorts of cards and labels and tickets, a couple of bees, labels. And here we've got all sorts of ephemera with more labels and bees. I love it. I already know. And then one more here with, that would be beautiful, a layered tag. That one on top of that one. The little postcard, a little journaling card, a pocket, and then pretty purple flowers. I don't know lavender from lilac so I'm not even going to attempt to say what the flowers are. But I really just wanted to show this to you. I've now finished my Dear Julie February journal, and I'll have a flip through of that coming up. But before I started cutting up my ephemera pieces from this kit, I wanted to do a quick flip through of the kit with you, and specifically because the Friday Freebie does go with this kit so beautifully. I mean, I have to assume that Cara made it intending it to be used with this kit. I certainly will be. And so join the Facebook group to get this, and head on over to Cara's Etsy shop, which I will have linked below, to pick up your Honey Bees and Lavender digital kit. And when I come back, after I get everything cut out in another video, I will start working on this journal that I'm going to do with this. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.